How Google ranks content, an overview. Google search engine processes hundreds of billions of web pages to deliver the most relevant results for each search query. This monumental task relies on a sophisticated ranking system that evaluates content based on more than 200 distinct factors. Understanding these ranking mechanisms is crucial for content creators and marketers who want their material to reach their intended audience. The algorithm continuously evolves, becoming increasingly sophisticated at determining which content truly deserves to be at the top of search results. This presentation will explore the key components of Google's ranking system and provide insights into how you can optimize your content to perform better in search results. The core purpose, relevance, and quality. Query intent. Google interprets what users really want. Content value. High quality, unique material, prioritized. EEAT standards. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. At its core, Google's mission is to connect users with the most relevant content for their needs. The search engine has become increasingly sophisticated at understanding not just the words in a query, but the underlying intent behind them. Google prioritizes content that demonstrates high value, uniqueness, and quality. This evaluation is significantly influenced by EEAT standards, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Four factors that help determine which sources deserve to rank highly. Content quality still king, 23%. Quality weight. Influence on overall ranking factors, 1500 plus. Word count. Average length of top ranking pages, 2x. Ranking boost. For regularly updated, comprehensive content. Despite numerous algorithm updates, content quality remains the cornerstone of Google's ranking system. Consistent publication of satisfying, valuable content continues to be the most significant factor in achieving strong search positions. Google particularly values depth and comprehensiveness. Content that thoroughly addresses the user's query with original insights and up-to-date information typically outperforms shallower alternatives. This is why long-form content often dominates search results for complex topics, with top-ranking pages frequently exceeding 1,500 words, keywords, and on-page signals. Strategy placement. Optimize keywords in meta titles, H1 headings, and body text to signal relevance to Google's crawlers. Proper density without over-optimization is crucial. Plain-minded keywords. Include related terms and concepts that help Google understand your content's context and subject matter thoroughly. Avoidance tactics. Prevent penalties by avoiding keyword stuffing, duplicate content, and other manipulative tactics that can harm rankings. While Google's algorithm has evolved beyond simple keyword matching, on-page optimization remains fundamental. The strategic placement of relevant keywords in key positions helps search engines understand what your content is about. Modern keyword optimization requires a sophisticated approach, using semantic keywords and latent semantic indexing (LSI) to create a richer context. This helps Google connect your content to related searches and understand the depth of your coverage. User intent and engagement. Google has become remarkably adept at determining whether content truly satisfies the intent behind a user's search. The algorithm analyzes patterns in user engagement to determine if a page delivers what searchers want. Page analysis. Google interprets what users are really looking for. Click response (CTR) tells Google if your title/description attracts users. Dwell time. Time spent on page indicates content satisfaction. Were you satisfaction? Did the user need to search again? Key engagement metrics include click-through rates, time spent on page, bounce rates, and whether users need to refine their search after visiting. Google also adapts results based on query type, distinguishing between informational searches, navigational queries, and transactional intent. Technical SEO, foundations of ranking, page speed and performance. Faster pages rank higher as Google prioritizes user experience. Mobile loading speed is particularly crucial since the mobile first indexing update. Mobile friendliness. Responsive design is essential as Google primarily uses the mobile version of content for ranking and indexing. Security and structure. HTTPS encryption is a ranking signal, while clear site architecture helps Google understand and index your content properly. Technical enhancements. Schema, structured data, and AMP implementation help Google better interpret and showcase your content. The technical foundation of your website significantly impacts its ability to rank well. These technical elements ensure Google can effectively crawl, index, and understand your content while also providing users with a positive experience. Backlinks and domain authority. Quality links. Links from authoritative relevant sites carry more weight. Diversity. Natural link profile from various domains. Domain trust built over time with quality signals. Anchor text. Relevant link text helps establish context. Backlinks remain one of Google's most powerful ranking signals, functioning as votes of confidence from one website to another. The algorithm evaluates not just the quantity but the quality, relevance, and diversity of these links to determine a site's authority. While exact match domains no longer provide the advantage they once did overall, domain authority built through consistent quality signals helps all content on your site rank better. Google's sophisticated evaluation of backlink profiles can detect manipulative link building tactics, so organic, editorially given links are most valuable. Freshness and updates. Breaking news. Extremely time sensitive content requiring immediate freshness. Trending topics. Subjects experiencing sudden spikes in interest. Recurring events. Annual events, updates, or recurring phenomena. Evergreen content. Timeless topics where freshness is less critical. Google's Query Deserves Freshness QDF system recognizes that some searches require more recent content than others. For breaking news, trending topics, and time-sensitive information, freshness becomes a dominant ranking factor. The algorithm intelligently determines which topics benefit most from recency, giving preference to newer content for rapidly evolving subjects. Meanwhile, for evergreen topics, comprehensive quality may outweigh freshness. Regular updates to existing content can also signal to Google that your information remains current and relevant. Google's evolving algorithms. RankBrain 2015. Machine learning to understand queries. Hummingbird, a 2013. Semantic search understanding. BERT 2019. Natural language processing. Core updates. Regular refinements to quality assessment. Google's search algorithm undergoes constant evolution, with major updates fundamentally changing how content is ranked. These updates reflect Google's growing sophistication in understanding content, context, and user intent through artificial intelligence. With the integration of technologies like BERT and RankBrain, Google has dramatically improved its natural language processing capabilities. These AI-powered systems help the algorithm better understand the nuances of human language, the relationships between concepts, and the context surrounding search queries, leading to more relevant results. Optimizing for good rankings, key strategies. Content strategy. Create user-first, in-depth content. Maintain regular update schedule. Address user intent comprehensively. Includes original research and insights. Technical optimization. Ensure mobile responsiveness. Optimize page speed and performance. Implement structured data markup. Maintain clean, crawlable site structure. Authority building. Earn quality backlinks from relevant sites. Build industry expertise and credentials. Establish strong brand signals. Cultivate positive user engagement. To succeed with Google's evolving ranking systems, focus on creating genuinely valuable content that serves your audience's needs. Develop a holistic strategy that addresses all major ranking factors while avoiding manipulative tactics that may trigger penalties. Regular monitoring of performance metrics and staying informed about algorithm updates allows you to adapt your approach as needed. Remember that Google's ultimate goal is to connect users with the most helpful, relevant content. For aligning your objectives with this mission is the surest path to sustainable search visibility.